We are working on GMetrix Excel Expert Practice Exam 2. We're currently on the fourth project called Ice Cream Shop. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and stay on the flavor cost worksheet. And what we want to do is go to the H28 cell, and we're going to go ahead and insert a formula that looks at two criterias and calculates the total profit of that. So what we want is the sum if formula here. Sum ifs with an S. And what we want to arrange to be is this right here, H4 to H26. Our first criteria is the cost. So let's go ahead and look at that. So we'll go ahead and select that range, the cost. And the criteria is it greater than or equal to 2? Now, if you're not careful, you might miss it. It's cost $2 or more. So we also want to include that $2 there. The second criteria range is going to be the column called sales. So we'll go ahead and select that. And our criteria for that is it going to be anything less than 200 quarts. So we'll go ahead and click OK. And we'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and look at B4 on the same sheet. And what we want to do for this is we're actually going to do a VLOOKUP in this cell. And what it's looking for is this code, and it'll display the flavor based upon if we change that number. So let's go ahead and do the insert function. We'll do a VLOOKUP. I'll click OK. Our lookup is going to be A4 all the way down to H26. I'm sorry, I lied to you, I jumped. Our lookup value is going to be A30. Our table array is going to be A3 to H26. Our column index number is going to be 2 because we're looking at the B column for the name. And what we want to type in here is false. So we'll click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and on the flavors cost worksheet, which was already there, to name the flavors cost per quart table, which is this whole table, and it wants us to call it flavor cost. So with our cursor here in the table, we get the special table tools design tab here at the top, and for our table name, we just want to type in flavor cost, and I'm just right over here. We'll go ahead and click enter, and that'll set the name for that table. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and save this chart right here as a template in our GMetrix folder. So we're going to go ahead and save. I right-clicked on the chart. We'll click Save as Template, and we'll go ahead to go to our Documents, GMetrix, and this is going to be Flavor Chart. One word, capital F and capital C. We'll click Save. We'll click Mark Completed. And task 5 asks us to go to the Analysis tab over here, and it wants us to show the value row. So when we put our cursor here in this table, we can right-click and click Pivot Table Options. We want to click the Display tab here at the top, and what we want to do is check this box that says Show the Values row. We'll click OK. We'll click Mark Completed.